You want privacy and still want to be close to amenities and town? Completely remodeled 3-bedroom/2-bath home includes the lots on both sides and behind you. A seasonal creek in front ensures that no one can build next to you. 5 lots total. Live in a great community with 2 pools, clubhouse, boat ramps, playground, a 12x30 slip in the community dock and more. Just minutes from stores and conveniences of Camdenton and Linn Creek. Brand new central heat and air. New appliances, new flooring and a new kitchen and bathrooms. Tons of parking and room to add a garage. Enjoy the lake view while being surrounded by nature. Over an acre and a half of insulation between you and everyone else. Take a short walk or cart ride to the community amenities. In Camden.